Wow. Today's the day. I'm pretty excited about this because I've been shaving a long time. Since I was like 13, I could grow a full beard. And I mean, I shave a lot. And man, you go to the drugstore and the razors are so expensive there. I mean, you either go with the really cheap ones, 10 for $1, and those will cut you up and leave you, toilet paper dots all over your face until the bleeding stops. Or you want to buy the more expensive ones at the drugstore. They're so expensive that you've got to wait for an attendant to unlock the cabinet just so you can get your blades. It's ridiculous. And then I learned about Harry's. Better engineered, they say, because they're German engineered, and about $2 a blade. Oh, I was all in. Cannot wait to try this out. And the Harry's box just arrived. And we're unboxing the Harry's box. Want to get in here. About ready to go in the shower and shave. Oh, nice. Post-shave balm. With aloe. I've never used a post-shave balm. Opening up, this is the actual shaver. Very nice. There's a shaver in there. Is it ready? It is. It's already loaded. Oh, this is going to be nice. This goes around the head after each shave to protect the blades and so nobody cuts themselves on it. Okay, this here is 2 extra blades. Very nice. Every man deserves quality craftsmanship, simple design, modern convenience, and a great shave. No kidding. All right, we're gonna go for it. I am so glad I made the decision to go to Harrys.com and get the Harry's free trial kit. I just shaved, and normally with my old shaver, I'd have to go over the same area 100 times to get it smooth. I literally, it was like mowing my lawn, just one strip here with the shaver, here, and it was done. 5 blades, technically 6 because there's a trimmer blade, which is really nice to get around your mustache or around your beard area, around your ears. But if you go to Harrys.com and punch in the promo code DAWG, D-A-W-G, just like that, you are going to get not only the Harry's free trial kit, but you're going to get this as a bonus, all right? Pay postage and handling, but you'll be so glad you did. No more expensive blades at the drugstore. No more waiting for the guy to unlock the cabinet. You're going to be so glad you did this because it's a better shave, it's a cheaper shave, and it comes right to your door, so you'll never have dull blades again. Thank you, Harry's. And babe, what do you think? Is it smoother than normal?
Very smooth.
Yeah, that's what you're after right there, huh?